Number 15, the LifeHub Avest Launch Edition Electric Wheelchair stands as a groundbreaking innovation in modern mobility, designed to combine performance, comfort, and intelligent technology in one sleek package. Built with a powerful dual-motor system, it delivers smooth acceleration and exceptional torque, enabling users to navigate various terrains with confidence and ease. The precision control joystick offers effortless maneuverability, allowing for tight turns and accurate navigation in both indoor and outdoor environments. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aerospace-grade aluminum, the A-Vest ensures long-lasting reliability without compromising portability. Its advanced suspension system absorbs shocks effectively. Number 14, the Magic Mobility. XT4 is an electric wheelchair engineered to push the boundaries of mobility by combining rugged off-road capability with refined control and comfort. Designed as a true four-wheel drive system, each of its four wheels is powered by a 700W motor, delivering powerful torque so users can confidently traverse mud, sand, snow, or uneven terrain. Its patented independent front and rear suspension systems mount each wheel on pivoting arms that respond individually to ground contours, helping all wheels stay grounded and enhancing stability and traction, even over rough surfaces. Steering is handled by a servo-powered system that blends differential wheel speeds into intuitive control, allowing smooth maneuvers and responsive handling even in reverse or low-traction conditions. The XT4 ships with high-capacity batteries, offering an extended range that encourages exploration well beyond ordinary paths. The seating system is modular and configurable, offering options for tilt, recline, lift, various backrest styles, and a range of seat widths and depths to match each user's needs. The frame is splash-resistant, and the body panels are aerodynamically styled and easy to remove for service. With a top speed in conventional operation of about 10 km/h and reduced speed when elevated, and a generous weight capacity for both fixed-frame and power-seated configurations, the XT4 blends strength, adaptability, and advanced technology in a wheelchair built for adventure and everyday use alike. Number 13, the JBHD11 is designed as a compact, travel-friendly electric wheelchair that blends portability, smart functionality, and reliable performance into a sleek, everyday mobility solution. Its frame is built from lightweight aluminum alloy so that the chair remains manageable in weight, even with its power components, yet sturdy enough to support regular use, with twin brushless motors driving solid PU tires. Number 12. The Elfigo Mobility Ultralight Carbon V2 is an ultra-portable electric wheelchair reimagined for users who demand mobility without compromise. Weighing just 10.8 kilos without battery, its carbon fiber frame is both incredibly light and remarkably strong, allowing it to fold down in seconds for seamless transport and storage. Its detachable lithium battery enables users to charge off the chair or even bring the battery onboard flights, depending on airline policies, while offering a travel range that suits everyday use. The intuitive joystick controller ensures smooth, precise maneuvering, and the electromagnetic braking system provides safe, reliable stopping even on gentle slopes. Practical features like flip-up armrests and footrests make transfers easier. Number 11, the iBot PMD represents a bold leap forward in electric mobility by blending advanced robotics, sensing, and adaptive modes to empower users in environments once considered inaccessible. At its heart lies a multimodal system that can shift between standard mode, which mimics a traditional rear-wheel drive power wheelchair for indoor maneuvering, four-wheel mode, enabling traversal of rugged terrain like sand, gravel, curbs, and snow, and balance mode, in which the wheelchair balances on two drive wheels so the user is elevated, allowing eye-level interaction, reaching high shelves, or simply changing perspective. It even supports stair mode, allowing independent or assisted climbing up and down stairs, assisted by gyroscopic stabilization and robust drive power. The iBot gives extensive control over seating by means of its powered position system, allowing adjustment of seat height, tilt, footrests, and backrest to maximize comfort and ergonomics. Its lithium-ion batteries provide a solid driving range, though range depends on modes used, terrain, and incline. Safety is built in with sensors managing balance, obstacle detection, and tilt correction, ensuring stability even on slopes or uneven surfaces. The wheelchair is designed with a sealed, durable power base to protect its electronics from dirt and moisture, and its modular seating options let the device adapt to individual needs, whether negotiating curbs, climbing stairs, rolling across outdoor terrain, or engaging with others at eye level indoors. The iBot PMD seeks to redefine what is possible in powered mobility, and bring true freedom and versatility to its users. Number 10. The E-Fold iNavigator is a sophisticated folding electric wheelchair built for effortless travel, designed to merge lightness, comfort, and smart usability into everyday mobility. Its frame, crafted from magnesium alloy, keeps the weight remarkably low, about 12.4 kilos without the battery, making lifting, transporting, and storing much easier than conventional power chairs. With a one-motion folding mechanism, the chair collapses in seconds, no tools or disassembly required, letting users stow it in car boots or take it aboard public transport or flights with minimal fuss. Number 9. The Will Model C2 is a highly refined, transportable electric wheelchair engineered to deliver both power and elegance in daily use. Its front omni-wheels allow the chair to turn on a dime, granting extraordinary maneuverability in tight indoor spaces, while a robust dual-motor system propels it comfortably over varied terrain, and even small curbs up to about 2.5 cm. The frame is designed to break down into 4 modular pieces for easy loading and travel, with the heaviest component under 20 kilos, making car trunk transport or airline travel more feasible. It carries a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can be detached and charged separately. Number 8. The Scuobro reimagines what an electric wheelchair can do, fusing balance, agility, and innovation into a single remarkable mobility companion. It operates not only in conventional drive mode, but also can shift into a 2-wheel balancing posture, so that the user glides smoothly and upright over uneven terrain, overcoming small obstacles and curbs with surprising ease when confronted with stairs. Number 7. The Will Model F is a sleek, foldable electric wheelchair designed to redefine mobility for users who prioritize ease of travel without sacrificing performance. Its standout feature is the one-touch quick-fold mechanism, letting the chair collapse in under 3 seconds into a compact form, which makes stowing it in a car trunk or taking it aboard a plane or train effortless. Despite its lightweight frame, the Model F delivers capable performance. It supports a user weight capacity of around 250 lb, and is rated for a driving range of up to 12.4 miles, approximately 20 kilometers, on a full lithium-ion battery charge, reaching a top speed of about 3.7 mi, 6 km/h. Its turning radius of just 30.7 and 780 mm. Number 6. The Robooter E80 is a striking blend of ultralight design and intelligent mobility, crafted to bring freedom, ease, and style to everyday life. Its carbon fiber frame weighs in at around 15.9 kilos, yet it supports a hefty payload of up to 150 kilos, making it both featherlight and strong. It folds down via a clever 2-step mechanism, letting users collapse it into a compact form that fits easily into car trunks or tight spaces without having to dismantle the parts. The lithium battery is removable so you can charge on or off the chair, and thanks to its smart management, the E80 can deliver a meaningful driving range, especially when fitted with the more powerful battery option. Its control system is cutting-edge. Connect your smartphone to access remote driving, speed settings, diagnostics, and over-the-air updates, and benefit from voice prompts and app integration. Built for daily life, this wheelchair includes a waterproof frame design, built-in lighting front and rear, a roomy underseat storage basket, and a detachable rear backpack for extra cargo. Despite its compact form, it offers respectable obstacle clearance, climbs gentle inclines, and maneuvers nimbly. With flip-up armrests and a comfortable memory foam seat contour, the E80 balances form and function beautifully, delivering not just mobility, but elegance and intelligent assistance in one sleek package. Number 5. The Yamaha JWG-1 Power Unit is a sophisticated drive module designed to convert ordinary manual wheelchairs into fully powered, intelligent mobility platforms. By integrating the JWG-1 with a manual wheelchair frame, users gain access to motorized propulsion, letting them traverse indoor corridors, urban sidewalks, and gentle slopes with ease. The unit features a high-performance motor system delivering significantly enhanced torque, improving its ability to climb inclines and handle challenging terrain that would otherwise be difficult under manual power alone. The controller includes a clear, easy-to-read LCD display for essential data, and an assisted caregiver lever throttle is provided so that a helper can override or assist when needed. Yamaha has refined the unit's weight, reducing the battery mass so the total added weight remains modest, and they've increased the system's load tolerance, enabling it to support more payload, including passenger, luggage, and frame weight than prior units. The JWG-1 also embodies refined control algorithms, smoother starting and braking, and responsive handling, so the ride feels natural and intuitive. Durability, efficiency, and user-friendly ergonomics are central to its design, making this power unit a compelling way for users to transform a conventional wheelchair into a powered mobility solution that balances performance, convenience, and accessibility. Number 4. The Daihatsu e-Sneaker is a novel personal mobility device crafted to bridge the gap between walking and full vehicles, offering a light, safe, and intuitive riding experience for daily outings. With its compact body and upright seating, the e-Sneaker elevates the user's line of sight, similar to a bicycle, while still feeling stable and secure. It runs on a rear-wheel electric drive system powered by a detachable lithium-ion battery, which users can remove and charge separately. This battery enables a driving range of up to around 12 kilometers on a full charge, and the unit can fully charge in about 2.5 hours. The device is easy to operate through a simple 3-step procedure. Power on, engage the brake, and twist the throttle to move forward. Drivers can select a maximum speed from 6 levels, 16 km/h, and safety features such as slope sensors, speed reduction on turns, and obstacle alerts help maintain control and situational awareness. The large pneumatic tires and suspension allow it to roll over small steps, up to 7.5 centimeters, and gaps, up to 10 centimeters, while a rear brake release lets the unit be pushed manually when needed. Its body is thoughtfully designed, with adjustable seat heights, 3 levels, and modular styling options. And since under regulations the e-Sneaker is classified like a pedestrian device, no driving license is required. Number 3. The Karma Evo Altus is a premium standing electric wheelchair designed to elevate both mobility and independence through advanced positioning, ergonomic engineering, and dynamic versatility. From its remarkably low seat-to-floor height of about 415 mm, it allows users to reach the ground easily and perform seated transfers with confidence. Integrated biomechanical leg support with adjustable length, 25 to 60 centimeters, compensates for leg differences and helps maintain natural posture as the chair moves. Its powered seat elevation range of up to 400 millimeters gives users the option to rise into a standing or high-seated posture for improved social interaction, therapeutic benefit, or convenience during activities. The drive system blends strong front-wheel traction with independent suspension for smoother handling across diverse surfaces. And the chair is engineered to support generous battery capacity, up to 80 Ah, for extended usage between charges. With multiple power positioning modes, not just sit to stand but recline to stand and even lie to stand, it provides flexibility to move fluidly throughout the day. Its robust construction supports substantial user weight, and seating and frame options allow tailoring to individual body dimensions. Enclosed safety features, intuitive controls, and crash ratings round out the package, making the Evo Altus a highly capable, sophisticated mobility solution that empowers users to experience greater autonomy and comfort throughout their lives. Number 2. The Magic Mobility Extreme. X8 is a formidable all-terrain electric wheelchair engineered to take users farther than ever before into rugged landscapes and unpaved paths. It features a true 4-wheel drive system, with each wheel powered independently by its own high-torque 700W motor, enabling it to conquer rough ground, steep gradients, and challenging obstacles with confidence. The front suspension is articulating, letting each wheel adapt to terrain shifts so the chair maintains contact and balance even over rocks or dips. Number 1. The Karma. Morgan M is a robust and versatile electric wheelchair engineered to deliver high performance both indoors and outdoors, with a balanced blend of comfort, agility, and durability.